What can managers do with all of this information about change? Consider that as a manager, you are a change agent in your organization. The decisions that you make and your role modeling behaviors will help shape the organization's change culture. Remember, too, that change involves attitudes, motivation, work teams, communication, leadership, organizational structures, human resource practices, and organizational culture. These features need to be monitored, measured, and addressed if they are impeding a change. Your management policies and practices will also determine the degree to which the organization learns and adapts to changing environmental factors. Of course, coping with all of these changes can be a source of stress for many of us. But by effectively leading change, the challenge can actually enhance engagement and fulfillment and have a positive impact on high performance. As you move forward in your own career, use some of these principles to help yourself cope with changes, but also to help others lead change more effectively.